Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best CV joints is probably one of the most unsung heroes in your car, working tirelessly to keep you moving. These crucial components transfer power from your engine to your wheels, allowing them to turn smoothly, even as your suspension bounces over bumps and navigates turns. Without them, your car wouldn't be able to handle the road, so let's dive in and find out what makes a good one. Number 5. TRQ CV Axle Shaft Assembly for Honda Civic 2006 to 2015. Introducing the TRQ CV Axle Shaft Assembly, designed specifically for your Honda Civic. This set includes both the driver and passenger side axles, ensuring a complete replacement solution. This assembly is a direct fit, meaning it's engineered to replace your original axles without any modifications. It's an OE replacement, guaranteeing the same quality and performance as the factory-installed parts. Make sure it fits your vehicle. This product is compatible with Honda Civic models from 2006 to 2015. Please check the fitment information to confirm it works for your specific car. The assembly is made to match the original equipment specifications. The OE reference numbers are 44305SNA000, 44305SNEA01, 44306SNA000, 44306SNA900, 44306SNEA01, and 44306SNEA11. It also matches aftermarket reference numbers. These include 44305SNA000, 44305SNEA01, 44306SNA000, 44306SNA900, 44306SNEA01, 44306SNEA11, 664232, and 664233. What we like. This CV axle is designed for a direct fit and OE replacement, ensuring easy installation. It's also vehicle-specific, guaranteeing compatibility with your Honda Civic. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade that matches the original specifications, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Well-made parts that fit perfectly and timely delivery and best pricing around for this level of quality. The ride is now quiet and improved stability. The drive is now aligned properly. Perfect fit axles for my 2007 Jeep GC SRT8, TRQ is new to me, but I'm a sold customer. These axles are priced reasonable but look, feel and function is not. These are the third set I've had to replace on my SRT, these axles are solid. All of the CV axles I've installed on 1000s of vehicles felt floppy, a weird word, but I can't describe it any other way, they just didn't feel well put together. TQR are the first to feel like they have quality, they are solid in construction, less noise than most. Another great part from TRQ. They were pretty easy to install without a 2-post lift. No more clicking anymore. OEM fitment and were shipped quickly for a heavy part kit. Number 4. TRQ CV Axle Shaft Assembly for Jeep Grand Cherokee. Are you looking for a reliable CV axle assembly set? This set from TRQ is a direct fit, OE replacement. It's designed to meet your needs. This CV axle assembly set is compatible with 1993 to 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please check the fitment information to ensure it fits your vehicle. This set includes both the front driver and passenger side CV axle shafts. It comes with neoprene boots and is moly greased for optimal performance. This is a direct fit, OE replacement, making installation easy. It's designed to restore your vehicle's performance. You will receive a pair of CV axle assemblies. This ensures you have everything you need to replace both sides. These axles are designed for the outer location. They are built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. What we like. This CV axle offers a direct fit and OE replacement, simplifying the installation process. It features durable neoprene boots, which are essential for longevity. If you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee from 1993 to 1998 and want a reliable, long-lasting solution, consider this one. What people say. Well-made parts that fit perfectly and timely delivery and best pricing around for this level of quality. The ride is now quiet and improved stability. Perfect fit. No issues at all. Took me 40 minutes each side. Number 3. TeraFlex 174-4014 JK Rzeppa CV Replacement Kit. Introducing the TeraFlex 174-4014 Factory Replacement Kit. This kit is designed to replace the CV joint on your JK Wrangler. It's a complete solution for your needs. The kit includes everything you need for a successful replacement. You'll find the CV joint assembly, a high-angle CV housing cap and boot, bolt flanges, and socket head bolts. Also included is a 6mm Allen wrench. This kit also features low-friction CV grease. It's engineered specifically for the high RPM needs of the JK CV joint. The grease ensures optimal performance. The grease has high viscosity surface bonding characteristics. This allows it to properly adhere to all moving surfaces. This ensures long-lasting performance. This kit is designed to fit JK Wrangler 2DR and 4DR models. It's a perfect fit for your vehicle. Get yours today. What we like. This kit is engineered for high-angle applications, providing enhanced performance. It includes low-friction CV grease, specifically designed for high RPM needs. If you like off-roading or have a JK Wrangler and need a robust, high-performance CV joint, this kit is ideal. What people say. Good quality and easy to install within an hour or so. Greater range and flexibility. The Rzeppa joint is just so much quieter. Number 2. Detroit Axle 2.4 LCV axles for Chevy Equinox and GMC Terrain. Are you experiencing issues with your vehicle's front axles? This kit from Detroit Axle is designed to replace the worn or damaged CV axles. It's a reliable solution to restore your car's performance. This product is specifically designed for 2010 to 2017 Chevy Equinox and GMC Terrain models with 2.4L engines. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchase. It's a perfect fit for your car. The kit includes 2 front CV axle shafts, one for each side of your vehicle. This ensures a complete replacement and restores the smooth operation of your car's drivetrain. It's everything you need in one package. These axles are built to withstand impact, wear, and fatigue. The driver's side axle has an overall length of 26.58 inches, and the passenger side is 22.12 inches. They are made to last. Detroit Axle offers a 10-year warranty on these CV axles, giving you peace of mind. This warranty reflects the confidence in the quality and durability of the product. You can trust it. What we like. This product comes as a complete kit, including 2 front CV axle shafts. It undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality and durability. If you are looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution with a solid warranty for your Chevy Equinox or GMC Terrain, this is a great option. What people say. Perfect fit for 2015 Equinox LT. Correspond con la description. Equinox 2013. Justo lo que necesitaba. Number 1. GSP NCV 12505 CV Axle Shaft Assembly. This CV axle is engineered to match original equipment specifications. It's built with premium materials and undergoes precise machining and balancing. This ensures smooth, vibration-free performance in all driving conditions. The boots on this axle are made from premium-grade neoprene. This material offers excellent resistance to abrasion and extreme temperatures. This helps to maintain the integrity of the boot and protect the axle. Inside, you'll find a specially formulated, high-temperature moly grease. This grease reduces friction and wear, contributing to a long life of smooth, dependable performance. It helps the axle operate efficiently. Each axle undergoes thorough quality inspections. GSP is confident in the exceptional quality of this component. That's why it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This is a left front, driver side, axle with a compressed length of 26.14 inches. It has a 32 spline outer joint and a 29 spline inner joint. It's designed for specific vehicles, so check the fitment details. This axle fits select models of Chrysler Town & Country, Dodge Grand Caravan, and Ram CV. Please verify fitment details using the fit checker to ensure it's the right part for your vehicle. What we like. This CV axle is engineered for smooth, vibration-free performance. It uses premium materials and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If you are looking for a dependable axle for your Chrysler Town & Country, Dodge Grand Caravan, or Ram CV, you should consider this. What people say. Working well so far. Very good quality boot. Outlasts others I have used. Product packaged and shipped properly, fits and works well so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.